Welcome to another episode of AFI's DIY. I'm Katie and today I'll be showing you how to make Nourishing Nail and Cuticle Oil. This product is perfect for keeping your nails strong and fingers moisturized, which would be a great addition to your product lineup. Plus, this recipe is incredibly simple. Let's take a look. For supplies, you will need a glass roller bottle and a plastic funnel. To make 10 milliliters of this product, you will need 84.4% or 2 teaspoons of argan oil, 10.6% or 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 5% or 0.6 milliliters of fragrance. Today I chose the almond cookie fragrance. Wow, this smells like a sweet dessert. We have thousands of fragrances to choose from here at AFI. Just remember to check the IFRA limits on whatever fragrance you decide to go with. Because this product will be applied directly to your skin, we have to be sure it meets the safety standards. Okay, let's get into it. First, pour the argan oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance into a small glass roller bottle. It will be easiest to do this with a funnel. Lastly, secure the lid and shake the bottle to mix all the contents together. That's it, your nail oil is now ready to be enjoyed. To apply this product, simply roll the oil onto the lower nail and cuticle area. Use your hands to work the oil into the skin and nail bed. This recipe ended up costing us about $1. You can sell it wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $4 to $7. If you like this product and are looking for more like it, you should take a look at our DIY body oil. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in to today's AFI DIY. Please leave us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.